Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. I just quickly wanted to introduce you to a video I recorded during a customer presentation the last few days. It shows our dual screen endpoints in a Microsoft Teams meeting and how it looks just as a demo. So that was it. Enjoy and talk to you soon. Bye. Come to the demo part. So I'm showing you here a picture of a Room 70 Dual, and I'm showing you the Touch 10, and it's actually a dual screen system in the back. I asked a colleague of mine to join the meeting, so here you should see what I do. So I'll dial back into the meeting. So it's calling, there we go, and I have to admit myself here. There we go, and then I asked my colleague, sorry, just disable the audio wherever I can, asked my colleague Gunther to join. So you see the dual screen layout, there we go, so Johannes joined as well now. So we have 4 participants. I'll share the presentation just to see, for you to see how it looks like, this one. Just share my what I have, a thingy which I have open here. So you see on the left hand side the screen gets smaller. I have this like overlay layout. I can go to the DTMF option here. I can scroll through the layouts. I have now the full screen layout. I can go to the it's called priority layout, so the speakers are slightly larger than the others. I can go further to the equal, then I see every participant at the same time, and I can go, like on these big systems it's somehow cool to have the film strip underneath. And what I can also do is I can minimize the content, so it will go back to the layout I had before, and it will show me the content on the left hand side there. The roster list, so who is in the meeting actually, so it is my room. I joined a few times now, so it's not really representative, but you see you can also mute or unmute the participants. I have my home DX, which is this little donkey, and Johannes joined as well, so I can see who is actually in the meeting. And interestingly, what I like most about this whole setup is that you can't really tell who is joining how. So like, is Gunther joining with a video endpoint into the Microsoft Teams, or is it with the application? So it's hard to differentiate. This donkey, which is actually back there, joined with the video endpoint via the Webex CVI integration. This one here is also CVI, so it's another endpoint of mine, and Johannes joined via the Microsoft Teams application. The advantage of our solution is that you can barely tell that you are joining a Microsoft Teams meeting. Yeah. It ends up depending on the camera quality, right? Yeah. So and it's not so it's like a proper hybrid experience. So the users in the Microsoft Team world, they still experience it the way they're used to, and the video world is also experience it the way they're used to it. So we are sending basically 2 streams, one for each screen, and yeah. So we basically here with the DTMF tone, we are telling the conferencing service how it should put the picture together to send to us.